Hey guys, Vinny here, aka BlackScat392. I wanted to come at you guys with a video about foam cannons. This is a basic Amazon foam cannon that you can buy on Amazon for about 15 bucks or so. I just wanted to show you guys how it sprays, how it works, and something about an upgrade to make it foam even more. So real quick, I'm just going to spray the car. This is the foam you get. It's really not terrible, but I think it could be a little bit better. So I'm going to take this thing apart. I'll show you guys. It's really simple, and an upgrade that you can do to make it foam a little bit better. Alright guys, so I know you saw the suds that I just pushed out from the cannon as it was. I haven't done anything. I left the same soap in it. So real quick, I'll show you guys what soap is in here. It's the Chemical Guys Maxi Suds 2 soap, which I also purchased on Amazon for about 20 bucks for a gallon, which is a great price.
And I help Daddy.
And you're going to help Daddy. So this is the foam cannon. I'm going to take it apart. It's really simple. I'm just going to replace, I guess you could call this a jet or a nozzle. That's all it is. And it's going to be right in here. So this is an Amazon. You're going to use a 5/8 wrench. And you're just going to break it off real quick. Actually, really simple. Alright. Take that off. And inside is where that little jet's going to be. It's going to be a little flathead screwdriver. Just going to really quick see if we can break it free. That's pretty simple. Okay. That comes out. So that's the old orifice that we had. And this is the new one that I'm going to put in. So just drop that in.
Hi guys. Is this a video?
Yeah, we're making a video, buddy.
This one?
That's just a camera holder. So, we're going to put it back together.
How do it? How do a video?
You're doing it with me right now, buddy.
What?
You're doing it with me right now.
But
So, hand tight, and then just snug with the wrench. I'm going to take this, put it in here. This piece you could also order on Amazon. I'm going to link it in the description below. I think this was maybe 7 bucks. Great deal if it's really going to work. Let's see if it does work though. Alright guys, it said same foam cannon. Nothing's changed on this, so we're just going to spray it and see what happens. Go ahead buddy, pull the trigger. Alright, stop. Alright. As you can see guys, I don't know, it might be hard to see in the video. The suds are really a lot thicker. It's really nice. So I'm going to sud up the whole car. I'll show you a picture of what it looks like all sudded up. But I think this is a great upgrade for your little Amazon foam cannon. Like I said, it's 7 bucks. You're all in all, maybe you're in this thing for like $22 for an Amazon foam cannon. Hook it up to your pressure washer, get your car real nice and clean. Hey guys, I did just want to add one thing. I'm not just running a basic power washer on this thing. I mean, it is just a regular power washer with the pressure, but I did set this up, which I also purchased on Amazon. This little filtration system is kind of like do-it-yourself spotless car wash, or yeah, water spotless car wash. So it's got a deionized filter, and it's got a regular filter to filter out all the contaminants in the water. So now when I do spray the car down, when I'm all said and done, I'm not going to have any water spots even if I don't dry the car off at all, because there's nothing in the water. It's already clean water. It's cleaner than it's ever been. But here's what the car looks like. It's all foamed up. I mean, it's been sitting for a few minutes now. But you see the foam is really nice and thick. It's been on there at least 2 minutes now. Oh, buddies. Little man sitting there playing in the foam. It's nice and thick. So I'm going to get my other buckets, which I already filled up with the soap, and I'm going to wash down the car. I do want to add, guys, I already did clean the wheels. That's the first thing I did. I did it off camera because nobody really cares to see how long it takes to clean black wheels. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe. Take care. Have a good day.